This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Avenger battery, a task you can definitely do yourself. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. You'll need a few basic tools like a jack stands, and a socket set. Begin by safely lifting the front driver's side of your car and removing the wheel. The battery is cleverly tucked away behind the inner fender well, so getting to it is our first step. Now that the wheel is off, you'll need to remove the inner fender well splash shield. This usually involves a few 7mm bolts and some plastic clips. Once those are out, gently pull back the splash shield to reveal the battery. Remember, safety first, always disconnect the negative battery cable first using a 10mm socket. Tuck it away safely. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive cable, also with a 10mm socket. With both cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery hold-down clamp. This is typically a 13mm bolt that secures the battery in place. Once the clamp is off, carefully lift out the old, heavy battery. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals. Now, gently lower your new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated correctly. Finally, reinstall and securely tighten that hold-down clamp to prevent any movement. You're almost done. Now, connect the positive battery cable to the new battery's positive terminal first and tighten it with your 10mm socket. Then, connect the negative battery cable to the negative terminal and tighten that securely as well. Double-check both connections to ensure they are snug. Finally, reinstall the inner fender well splash shield, put your front wheel back on, and carefully lower your Dodge Avenger. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.